In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customized cutout features in CapCut PC, a powerful tool for video editing on your computer. You're going to learn how to easily remove and customize backgrounds from your clips with this versatile software, perfect for adding that professional touch to your content. Let's dive right in by first opening your video project in CapCut PC. Once you're inside the project, you'll want to import any clips or images that you plan to work on. You can do this quickly by simply dragging them into the timeline where you lay out your project sequence. After your clips are in place, click on any clip in the timeline. This will reveal the editing panel over on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is where the magic happens. You'll want to navigate to the Video tab here, where you'll find the Remove BG option, which stands for Remove Background. Now you have two choices on how you'd like to proceed with removing the background. The first is auto removal, which is a feature included in the Pro version of CapCut. This allows you to remove the background automatically with just a click. It's a time saver, doing the work for you almost instantly. You'll notice that in just a few seconds, CapCut separates the subject from the background effectively, making the process quick and uncomplicated. For those who are working without the Pro version, don't worry, you still have a fantastic feature at your disposal called Customize Removal. To use this, start by unchecking the auto removal option. Then click on Customize Removal. This will take you to a new editing window dedicated to manual adjustments. In this window, you have access to tools like the brush and erase. These tools let you take control over the cutout process, use the brush tool to select and keep areas that are important, and the erase tool to remove parts you don't need. You can also adjust the brush size. Smaller brushes can be particularly helpful for detailed areas or intricate edges like someone's hair or complex boundaries. Once you're satisfied with the precision of your work, find the Apply or Save button to finalize your cutout. CapCut will take what you've done and apply it immediately to your clip on the timeline, helping you move forward with the rest of your editing process seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove and customize backgrounds using CapCut PC. Whether you're tapping into the simple auto removal in the Pro version or harnessing the manual power of customized removal, you can now enhance your videos with a polished professional look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy editing.